Alright, what's up guys? My name's Alex and I have my friend here, Joseph.
Hello.
We're gonna solve this problem here, and the objective is to simplify this, and Joseph's going to solve it for us.
Alright, so let's start off with rewriting it and putting everything to the power of 1/4. So here we go, 8a to the power of 8 to the power of 1/4, b to the power of 13 to the power of 1/4, c to the power of 10 to the power of 1/4. So let's begin with 32. So we're trying to find the fourth root of 32. So if we were to break down 32, and we can divide this by 4 and 8, and that would give us 2 times 2, and 8 would be 2 times 2 times 2. So we're trying to find the fourth root, so we're going to be looking for 4 of the same numbers. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 2's. So what we can do is put the 2 out here, and we can since there's 1, 2 remaining, put the 2 in here. So that would be 32, and a to the 8th power. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna multiply this. So 8 multiplied by 1 is 8, divided by 4, so that's just going to be 2. So a to the power of 2, and then we can put these together. 13 times 1 is 13. So 4 goes into 13 3 times, so that would be b to the 3rd power, and there's 1 remainder, so that would be b and the 4th root of b. Alright, and then if we go to 10, 4 goes into 10 2 times, with a remainder of 2, so that would look like c2, and then there's gonna be another c2 in here because the remainder is 2. So if we put this together, it would look like 2, a to the 2nd power, b to the 3rd power, c to the 2nd power, and then 4th root, and then we're going to put the 2 in there from here, the b and the c to the 2nd power, and that is our answer.
Alright, so my problem here is 7 over 7 to the 3/4 power. What you want to do is multiply it by something that will make the denominator's exponent equal to 1, and it is going to be 7 to the power of 1/4. What you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top, so you won't change the value of the original problem, and that is equal to 7 5/4 over 7. And you might be asking how I got 5/4. Is 7, the first 7 already has a 1 at it, and 1 is also considered as 4/4, and you just add it together because you're multiplying. And if we can simplify even further. The 7 5/4 can be changed to 7 to the power of 1 plus 1/4, and the 1/4, the 4 will also count as like a 4th root, so it's going to be 7 and the 4th root of 7, and all over 7. Thanks for watching, guys. Yeah.
Bye.
That's the answer.